Hello friends, it's Brandy. Today I'm working on a layout for Hip Kit Club and I'm using the gorgeous May kits. I'll be working with the main kit, the color kit, cardstock kit, and the embellishment kit. I wanted to start by getting some gesso down on my background sheet, which is from the cardstock pack. It's the back of the cardstock, and I think the color is a periwinkle color. It's a really pretty soft blue. I only need a small amount of gesso because I'm not doing heavy mixed media today. I just really love the shimmers colors that come in the color kit, and I wanted to get a little of each color on to this layout. Off camera, I added a little bit of the shimmers in Jilted Jade and Sunny into my little bowl here, which, by the way, is just an ice tray that came with a fridge that we bought to go in our laundry room. And Daniel was going to throw that ice tray away, but I put a quick stop to that. Anyway, I watered the shimmers down just enough to thin it out so it would spread and splatter easily. Then I just plopped it on the page and blotted it up with a paper towel in between each color. Off camera, I used my blow dryer to speed up the drying time a little bit, and the pink streaked a little, but I don't really mind it so much. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention that the pink is a colorings in pink stilettos. And now I come back once it's dry and just decide to add some splatters to add a little extra dimension and interest. I love the stamps in the color kit this month. They are perfect for mixed media pages and add just that little bit of grungy flair that I wanted for this page. So I chose to use the squares and my Stays On ink. I chose Stays On because it dries almost instantly and it's a solvent ink, so I know it's not going to smudge on me. At this point, I'm getting really excited because I love the way this looks so far. I'm scrapping these photos of my granddaughter from a couple of years ago with her bedhead and wild hair, and I thought this grungy layout would be perfect for these photos. She was actually spending a week with us, and on this day, she woke up looking crazy and she knew it. That was the funniest part. And she just wanted to stay that way all day. So I let her. And we stayed home in our PJs and just played and acted silly all day. And it was great. Now, before we get much further, I want to invite you to come join us on Facebook at the Hip Kit Club group. I'll be sure to leave a link for you to that page in the description box of this video. We have lots of participation and tons of inspiration to see from the members and the design team. Kimberly also just revealed the exclusive June kits, and they're available now in the store, and they're gorgeous. You don't have to subscribe to purchase, but if you do, you save money on the main kit and on your add-on kits and on shipping, so it's definitely worth it. Okay, I've just been adding some bits from the sticker sheet that comes in the main kit. I'm going to use this photo as my title, even though I have two photos. I think it's fine. The word strips say laughed out loud. It was a PJs all day kind of day and got a new hairstyle, which I thought was hilarious. I chose not to use that other sticker, so I just went ahead and put it back. Now, these butterflies and that piece that I stuck to the top of the photos are actually washi. They were a little bit tricky to remove from the backer sheet because they're so thin, but once I got them started, they actually came off quite easily. And I really wish I had a whole other sheet of those butterflies because they are so adorable. And I couldn't pass up using this little stamp from the Pocket Life kit either. So cute. I pulled a few of the vellum pieces from the embellishment kit, as well as some of the cardstock ephemera pieces that come in the main kit. And I couldn't resist using that piece that says self-care. Y'all, I was cracking myself up the whole time I was making this layout. I am so glad that I waited to scrap these photos. And here I'm just pulling a few pieces from the puffy sticker pack that comes in the embellishment kit. And that first piece I put down is an easel that says Hello Sunshine, another perfect piece for this layout. I'm just about done, but I wanted to fill in some of that space to the right of the page. So I just happen to have these branding strips laying off to the side, and I figured that worked just fine. I distressed the edges and glued them down, overlapping each other just a little bit, and I like it. I think it adds some subtle interest on that side of the page without taking away from anything going on around the photos. But that's it. I'm all done. Thank you guys so much for sticking with me. If you made it this far, I have a little secret I want to share. I have an extra March hip kit, a main kit that I'm going to be giving away real soon. And as a bonus to those of you who are watching right now, I want to give you an extra chance to win. I'll be doing a random drawing, but if you comment, pick me, I will add your name to the pot twice. And if you tag someone, I will add your name a third time. Please hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss that giveaway. Thanks again, guys. Have a lovely crafty day. Bye-bye.